Quick fix for distorted face in Higgsfield AI image generation. So if you're generating something on Higgsfield and it gives you distorted face image, what you can do is this. Basically just like upload the photo by clicking on this plus. So like, you can upload the image which has the distorted face, or what you can do is, let's say the image you generated, you basically don't want the distorted face. You can just like upload the image and describe it like, hey, so in this image there is a distorted face. Can you help me fix it? I don't want the face to be distorted. Fix it and keep it the original face. Now remember, if this image had a distorted face, I need to know what the actual face looks like. So once the image with the distorted face is uploaded, I need to click on this and upload another image that has the proper face. Now remember, in this image there's 4 faces, but you need to put just one face, all right? Or like you need to put the image which has the original faces and give it the prompt like, in image 1, which means this image, there is a distorted face. Okay, now forgive about my spelling here. I'm teaching you, so just make sure to enter the correct spelling yourself. In this image 1, there is a distorted face. Help me fix it. The original face is on image 2, which means this image. Now you need to describe which character is inside the image. That's why I'm telling you to only make sure upload the image with one character. Once you do that, just click on generate, and while generating, I would suggest you to use ChatGPT. It is the best option, or you can also go with Nano Banana Pro if you don't want to use ChatGPT, because it takes a lot of like credit off your AI and stuff. So these two are the best one. Click on generate, it'll generate and fix the distorted face. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.